Good morning, students. In my previous session, already I completed concentrations of the ore and physical process method as well as a chemical process method. In the physical process method, uh, hydraulic washing, magnetic separation, fourth flotations is completed. Now in chemical process, leaching method is completed. So concentrations of 4 means to remove of the impurities. The second one, second level, conversions of second one run. Conversion of concentrated ore into metal oxide. Conversions of concentrated ore into metal oxide. So now already you got concentrations ore. Concentrated ore is nothing but impurities less, less impurities ore. Now this less impurities ore again you converted into the metal oxide. Okay ma? See here, what is the importance of the why concentrations ore into concentrated ore in conversion into metal oxide. First of all, see, this is the ore. Listen carefully. Ore plus impurities are there. Ore plus impurities are there. For example, magnesium carbonate and additionally some impurities are there, some extra impurities. Now you extracted magnesium. Listen carefully. You extracted magnesium. So first of all, what is the step 1? Concentrations of ore. Concentrated ore. It's nothing but remove of impurities. Remove of impurities. Remove of the impurities is nothing but concentrations of ore. So what are the impurities are there here? Here impurities are there, here impurities are there. So to remove these unnecessary impurities, next you will get MgCO3. So this is the concentrated ore because already remove of the impurities. So the second one is this concentrated ore conversion into metal oxide. It means why concentrated ore conversion into metal oxide? For example, MgCO3 it conversion into metal oxide means in the third step the metal oxide, from the metal oxide oxygen it can easily to removed because by heating purpose. So that is the reason. So you got concentration after concentrations of the ore, then conversion into the metal oxide. That metal oxide again heated and oxygen is evaporated, purely magnesium is obtained. That is the reason in the second method, conversion of concentrated ore into metal oxide. Not only this one, all kind of the metal in the second step to conversion into metal oxide. Why? Because in the third step it can easily to separated of the oxygen, then it's obtained the crude metal. That is the reason, my dear students, don't forget, after concentrations of the ore, second one is the concentrations of ore converted into metal oxide. It's a clear ma? See here, first one, conversions of concentrated ore into metal oxide. Here two methods are there, important. Number one is the calcination, number two is the roasting. Listen carefully. How the concentrated ore conversion into the metal oxide? Through two process. Number one is the calcination, number two is the roasting. So what is the calcination here? In this process, in which concentrated ore is heated to expel the organic matter and moisture present in the ore. It means actually calcination is nothing but the ore is heated, absence of the air. Listen carefully, the ore is heated, absence of the air or below the air. See here, the ore are heated in the absence of below their melting point. This is the most important point, my dear student. Calcination means, what is the calcination? Concentrated ore, because of removal of impurities product, concentrated of ore is a heated absence of the air. Upon ore are converted into metal oxide. See, this process is also used to remove of water from hydrated hydroxide ore and carbon dioxide from the carbonate ore. So especially important point, my dear student, this process, calcination process, especially used remove of water from the hydrated hydroxide, remove of the water from the hydrated hydroxide and carbon dioxide from the carbonate ore. This is the most important, carbon dioxide from the carbonate ore. So calcination method is used carbon dioxide from the carbonated ore. See here, the process is generally carried out in the reverberatory furnace. So this is the reverberatory furnace. From this picture is used to remove of the unnecessary particle of carbon dioxide and water vapor. See here, first of all, calcium carbonate is there. Listen carefully. Calcium carbonate. It's called commonly known as limestone. Now we are going to discussing calcination process. What is the calcination process? The ore, concentrated ore heated in the absence of the air or limited supply of the air. So now see here, calcium carbonate under heating, absence of air, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide is eliminated. Clear ma? Already said calcination process, it can used in the carbonate compounds and hydrated compound. Here carbonate compound, after heating, carbon dioxide is eliminated, you will get calcium oxide. It's nothing but metal oxide. Clear ma? After that, bauxite, Al2O3 2H2O. Here your target is already here oxygen is there. With metal, oxygen is there, but your target only remove of the water molecule only. So that's why in the presence of absence of the air, more heated means this water vapors are evaporated. Al2O3 is, it can easily to obtained. And even hematite also, Fe2O3, here also hydrated water is there. So after heating, this water is eliminated, you can easily to obtain the metal oxide. After that, zinc carbonate. So listen carefully, calcination process especially used if the ore containing carbonates and ore containing hydrated water. This is the most important point, my dear student. If any one of the concentration ore, listen carefully, if any one of the concentrations ore contain carbonates or hydrated, so how they are converted into metal oxide? Through the calcination process. See here, zinc carbonate. So carbonate is there. This zinc carbonate, there is any another impurities because of already completed concentrations ore method. So zinc carbonate is there, definitely is involved in the calcination. This compound is converted into metal oxide, ZnO, and after that CaCO3, MgCO3. So here also carbonates are there. So calcium oxide, magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. So keep it in your mind, my dear students. Once again I repeat it, calcination process, the the concentrations were converted into metal oxide in the presence of the little amount of the oxygen or absence of the oxygen, that is called calcination. Once again, calcination is nothing but the concentrations of ore converted into metal oxide in the absence of the air or limited supply of the air. The calcination process especially used for carbonate ores and hydrated ores. If carbonated ore converted into metal oxide through calcination process and hydrated ore converted into metal oxide through calcination process. It's clear, my dear students? The second one is the roasting. So where is used roasting? You know, calcination process, it's used for carbonate ore converted into metal oxide, hydrated ore converted into metal oxide. But the roasting, what is the roasting? Actually, roasting is nothing but the concentrations ore converted into the metal oxide in the presence of the air, in the presence of the oxygen. That is called roasting. Roasting, chicken roasting, it's nothing but. So here concentrated ore is highly heated in the presence of the air. So roasting process, generally what kind of ores are used? Sulfide ores. See, listen, Nana. If the sulfide is present in the any one of the concentrated ore, definitely you can use roasting process. Appo enaichi the sulfide ore converted into the metal oxide. Listen carefully, don't confusion my dear students. Here I will mention. See nana, calcination process, ore, concentrated ore converted into metal oxide, absence of air or limited of air. So listen, calcination process, concentrated ore converted into metal oxide. What kind of concentrated ore? Carbonates ore and hydrated ore. Carbonate ore or hydrated ore converted into metal oxide. Examples: CaCO3, ZnCO3, CaCO3, MgCO3, etc. These are all are converted into metal oxide. And hydrated, already hydrated also. If Al2O3 2H2O converted into metal oxide. This is the calcination. Once again see nana, important part nana. Calcination means concentrated ore converted into metal oxide in the absence of the air. So what kind of the ores are used in the calcination process? Carbonate ore converted into metal oxide, definitely you can use the calcination process. Hydrated ore converted into metal oxide, you can use the calcination process. It's a clear? After that, roasting. Same here also. Sinan, what is the roasting? Concentrations ore converted into metal oxide, presence of the air. Presence of air. So what kind of concentrated ore? Very very important, sulfide ores. Sulfide ore converted into metal oxide. Sulfide ore is converted into metal oxide. That is generally roasting process. See Nana, now I have one question. Ready? If any one of the ore contain carbonate, that carbonate ore converted into metal oxide by using of calcination method, or hydrated ore, it's converted into metal oxide by using of calcination. And roasting, sulfide ore converted into metal oxide, sulfide ore converted into metal oxide, that is called roasting process. It's a clear ma? This is the most important. See examples are here. See, what is the roasting? This process is generally done with sulfide ores. Sulfide ore alone or in the presence of other substance are heated in the presence of the air below their melting point. The impurities like sulfur, arsenic, phosphorus, etc. So, if maybe not only sulfur, sometimes arsenic, phosphorus also is present here, roasting process are used, are removed in the form of their volatile oxide. See here, zinc sulfide in the presence of oxygen, because in the above equation no oxygen. Now here zinc sulfide in the presence of oxygen are heated, it can easily to obtain the zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide is eliminated, volatile gases. And lead sulfide, galena, in the presence of oxygen, lead oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Copper sulfide is in the presence of oxygen, cupric oxide and sulfur dioxide. So that is a important part, my dear students. So here calcination and roastings are most important part if the concentrated ore is converted into metal oxide. So my dear student, in the metallurgical process, two steps are completed. First one is concentrations of ore. It is nothing but impurities are removed. That is method is concentrated ore. Second one is concentrated ore is converted into metal oxide. So that is also completed. In this process, two methods are there. Number one is the calcination process. Number two is the roasting method. Is it clear, my dear students? See Nana, a roasting process, how to how to going on the process. This is a moderatory reverberatory furnace. So by using of this apparatus or by using of this method, roasting process is completed. See, the sulfide ores of copper are heated in the reverberatory furnace. If the ore containing iron, it is mixed with silica before heating. Iron oxide slag of iron, silicate and copper is produced in the form of the copper matte which contain Cu2s and Fes. So now here this is also another important method. If FeO as impurities, listen carefully, FeO as impurities in the sulfide ore, immediately SiO2 is as, this is a basic flux, basic impurities. Now acidic flux are used. Upon basic impurities or acidic flux are together, slag is formed. Understood Anna? Especially if sulfide ore containing FeO impurities, then flux is used, acidic flux are used. After that it can easily to remove. The sulfur dioxide produced utilized for the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. This is the reverberatory furnace. So now the third process, already you obtain the metal oxide. Now in metal oxide, oxygen is removed by conversion of metal oxide into the metal. This is the most important third step Nana. Already you obtain the metal oxide. Now from the metal oxide your target is remove the oxygen. So that's why my dear students, by two process, smelting process, by using of the smelting process and by using of carbon, these two processes are used to remove of the oxygen from the metal oxide. Okay ma? See Nana, conversions of metal oxide into metal, third process, conversions of metal oxide. Already you obtain the metal oxide, it's converted into metal. See, by the smelting process. The process of heating of roasted or calcinated ore with added of coke is called smelting. So already here obtain, what are obtained? Lead sulfide and lead oxide and stannum dioxide. Upon NiHe smelting is nothing but coke is added. Listen carefully. So what is the importance of coke added here? Coke burning, hot coke is burning with lead oxide. Immediately this coke is removed of the oxygen, then you will obtain the metal. That's why smelting means after calcination and roasting, then the compound is added with coke. The coke, it can easily to separate it of the oxygen. That's why my dear students, see, PbO plus C is gives us to PbO, CO, and SnO2, SnCO. So this is the smelting point. It's nothing but conversions of metal oxide into metal by using of the coke. And it's not only coke, one more method is there. Carbon monoxide is also used to remove of the oxygen. So here by carbon monoxide. Now see this one, the different forms of the carbon such as coal, charcoal and carbon monoxide are used, reduced metal oxide into metal examples. So see Nana, if the iron oxide, oxygen is there, என்ன compound used here? Carbon monoxide used. Carbon monoxide act as a good reducing agent. Which one is reduced here? Oxygen is reduced. So that's why my dear students, carbon monoxide used to remove of the oxygen, then FeO is formed. FeO is because of excess amount of the oxygen is there. If excess amount of the oxygen is there, carbon monoxide used. After that this carbon monoxide to remove of the little bit percentage of the oxygen, then FeO is formed. Now this FeO, FeO nana, FeO again treated with carbon monoxide, Fe plus carbon dioxide. So you can obtain iron. And final one, zinc oxide is there, CO, zinc plus carbon dioxide. This is the actually these three steps are there. Here also in the zinc or iron also some little bit percentage of impurities also present here. That little bit impurities are removed by using a final method, that is called refining techniques. Later we will see refining techniques video. And so now again briefly explain the all steps, Nana. Actually, see, in the metallurgical process, actually major parts is first one, crushing. This is not, I am not teaching this one, but this is also there. Crushing means, for example, huge size of stones are there. The huge size of stones is converted into powder. That is called crushing. This is the first initial step. Crushing or gridding. Crushing and gridding. Crushing and gridding. So this is means huge type of, for example, see, you know, this type of machineries. So it's a roller, you know, red chili grinder machines. So this type of machineries are there. For example, huge big size of stones are there. The big size of stones are crushing in this machine, and powder ore is coming. This is the first method in the metallurgical process, that is called crushing. And second one is concentrated ore. Concentrated ore means, what is a concentrated ore? Remove of impurities. My dear students, a number of times I repeated this statement because of important part, the remove of impurities. Through the concentration method, two processes are there. Number one is the hydraulic or gravity. Second one is the magnetic separation. Third one is a fourth flotation. So fourth flotation, especially sulfides were used. Magnetic. Now here chemical process. In the chemical process, leaching is there. In the leaching, for example, aluminium oxide to remove the impurities by using of sodium hydroxide. Is important point. And in the leaching process, sodium hydroxide. And remaining cases, remaining cases in the leaching process, gold also used in the leaching process, and silver also used. This is the second part of concentrations of the ore. So after that, third one is concentrated ore conversion into metal oxide. This is the most important, my dear students. Concentrations ore conversion into metal oxide. Two processes are there. Number one, calcination method. Number two, roasting. Calcination means absence of air, especially carbonate ore, hydrated ores is converted into metal oxide. Roasting, presence of air, especially this one, sulfide. So sulfide ore converted into metal oxide, roasting. Carbonate ore converted into metal oxide, calcination. And fourth one, metal oxide conversion into metals. It's nothing but crude metal. So crude metal is little bit percentage of impurities are there, crude metal. So now here what steps are there? Smelting. So smelting means by using of coke. And second one is the carbon reduction. It's nothing but by using of carbon monoxide. So now you will obtain crude metal. Now finally the crude metal conversion into pure metal. Now refining techniques are there. So some refining techniques. So what are the refining techniques? In my next class we will discuss. Okay, my dear students, I hope this video understood for all students. Is very important chapter. Calcination, 1 mark point of view, 2 more roasting and smelting. What is the smelting? These are all are the important. So in my next class you will discuss refining techniques method. Okay ma?